Nestled in the heart of Puglia's lush Valle, Casa Roverella isn't just a house, it's a harmonious conversation with nature. A majestic oak tree stands at the center of the design, its presence shaping the entire structure. Imagine the house embracing this ancient sentinel, its form curving around the tree, making it the undisputed star. Step inside and be greeted by a symphony of light and shadow. The rounded vaults and seamless flow of ceiling into walls create a captivating dance of light as the sun journeys across the sky. Every corner is a frame, meticulously crafted to capture the essence of the surrounding beauty: the shimmering pool, the verdant garden, the whimsical staircase spiraling upwards, and of course, the ever-present oak. The C-shaped plan of Casa Roverella is like a warm hug, drawing the outdoors in. It opens generously towards the pool, its cascading waterfall drawing your gaze towards the rolling hills bathed in golden sunlight. Escape the summer heat under the shade of the external pergola, where a comfortable dining area and inviting lounge beckon by the poolside. The minimalist style, both inside and out, allows the pure architectural forms to take center stage. But beneath this clean aesthetic lies a subtle touch of rusticity, a nod to the local character. The warm color palette and carefully placed windows create a haven of serenity, offering unexpected glimpses of the picturesque countryside. The custom-made oak furnishings, painted in a warm hue, add a touch of comfort, while the ivory lime walls and continuous concrete floor unify the space, creating a sense of open expanse. The kitchen, a masterpiece of design, seamlessly integrates with the dining area, its concrete top guiding the eye towards the arched window framing the majestic oak. Here, tradition and modern design come together in a beautiful dance. Every detail, from the designer-selected furnishings to the carefully curated greenery, reinforces Casa Roverella's core principle, a celebration of minimalist elegance that embraces the imperfections and rustic soul of its surroundings.